everybody. We are now on the part 2 of the ocean wave painting. In the first part, we showed you the elements that are required to help you paint this one better. Now moving on to part 2, let's actually see how to paint the wave. The canvas size is 18 by 24. You can even go in for a 20 by 24, so that can make the wave a little broader. We start off by just spraying the canvas with a little water and making it damp so that it absorbs the color better. I pick up a cobalt and mark the shape of the wave properly on the canvas. Once we finish painting the shape of the wave, we take lighter tones, that is mix phthalo blue, phthalo turquoise and cobalt blue with white, and give waves on the bottom of the ocean. This shows a ruffled sea face which eventually merges into the wave. So after a base of dark, we merge in lighter waves. Now we paint the sky, just a little part of the sky, with cobalt blue and white, and then move on to taking the lightest shade of phthalo turquoise by mixing it with white and create a circular gradient from the right to the left of the canvas. So as you can see, we are taking a light shade and keep adding the darker shade. The darker shade will move as per the shape of the wave that we have marked, and it also comes down to form the As we paint the base of the ocean, we see to it that we merge the color towards the wave also. So just mix darker tones of phthalo turquoise, add a little bit of black if you want to create a darker tone, and merge it from down on the ocean floor going up to the wave. So you can see the direction in which the brush is moved. This is a mixture of light and dark waves put together. So for making dark, we mix phthalo turquoise and black, and for lighter waves we mix phthalo turquoise and white and cobalt blue and white. we give some contrasting white lines to show the strong flow of the wave. Then with a hog hair round brush, we give the shape of the top of the wave to show the splashes of water. Then with a stiff fan brush, slightly larger in size, we take white. Rather, we load a lot of white color on it and show very strong splashes on the top part of the wave. We also make some lighter blue splashes, so it's a mix of light blue and white splashes with the fan brush on the top of the wave. We create another splash in the center of the wave with the fan brush, and it's slightly water dripping from the center of the wave. So below that we give a dark blue shadow just to kind of highlight it and pull it out of the painting. Finally, with the fan brush we just make some small waves, and with more white we give highlights on the top of the ocean wave and also the fall of the wave. Hope you have enjoyed painting this huge wave with us. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.